Enterprise architecture tools cost $10,000 to $100,000 a year. TOGAF consultants charge thousands per day. Governance documentation takes 4 to 6 weeks of manual work. The architect who built the UK government's G-Cloud program, saving the economy £12 billion, just open-sourced a toolkit that generates complete governance documentation with 68 AI-powered commands. It works inside Claude Code, Copilot, Gemini, and Codex. MIT licensed, completely free. This is ArcKit, an open-source enterprise architecture governance and vendor procurement toolkit. 729 stars, 102 forks, MIT licensed, 68 commands across 13 categories with 10 autonomous research agents. Type A command, get a structured governance document aligned to UK government standards. Requirement specs, risk registers, business cases, design reviews, procurement documents, Wardley maps, architecture decision records. All output as markdown files in Git. No vendor lock-in, no proprietary formats. Let's talk about what 68 commands replaces. Traditional governance documentation takes 4 to 6 weeks. ARCKit compresses that to 3 to 5 days, a 75% time reduction. 68 commands across 13 categories. 10 autonomous research agents, including cloud-specific agents for AWS, Azure, and GCP. 4 bundled MCP servers for real-time documentation lookups. Multi-platform, works with Claude Code, Gemini CLI, Codex CLI, OpenCode CLI, and GitHub Copilot. From 12 commands in October 2025 to 68 in April 2026. And these aren't just templates. Core governance, architecture principles, stakeholder analysis, risk registers using the HM Treasury Orange Book framework, business cases using the Green Book 5-case model, strategic planning, Wardley maps for build versus buy, multi-year roadmaps with capability maturity, architecture decision records, UK government compliance, 7 commands covering the technology code of practice, GDS service standard, NCSC secure by design, AI playbook, and MODI defense standards, procurement, technology research with web search, RFP generation, G-Cloud marketplace search, design review, operations, quality assurance, full traceability from stakeholders, through requirements, through design, through sprints, through tests. The Wardley mapping integration is where this gets strategic. Type /archit.wardley, and the AI generates a strategic map of your value chain. Every component positioned by how visible it is to users and how commoditized it is. Components on the left are novel. Build those in-house. Components on the right are commodity. Buy or outsource. The map renders at create.wardleymaps.ai. One command gives you a strategic visualization that normally requires a consultant and a workshop, and the hooks validate the map for mathematical consistency before saving. Think about what this means for enterprise architects. 7 compliance commands cover the technology code of practice. All 13 points assessed and scored. The GDS service standard, all 14 points. NCSC secure by design with Cyber Essentials alignment. The AI playbook for responsible AI deployment. Algorithmic transparency recording standard for public sector AI. MOD secure by design for defense systems. Each command generates a full compliance assessment with gap analysis and remediation recommendations. One government architect with ARCKit can produce what used to take a team of consultants. But here's who built this. Mark Craddock is not a hobbyist. He was a key architect of the UK government's G-Cloud program, the cloud procurement framework that serves 3,500 suppliers and has delivered billions in cloud services across the entire UK public sector. He helped formulate the cloud-first policy. He led creation of the United Nations Global Platform for National Statistics offices worldwide. He co-authored UN handbooks on IT strategy and privacy-enhancing computation with Simon Wardley himself. This is someone who architected cloud procurement for a nation, and he's giving the governance toolkit away for free. One command to install, /archit.start. Your governance documentation just became a conversation. ARCKit, Enterprise Architecture Governance, democratized. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.